2004 Lexus ES300, 36,800 original miles, all original, no accidents, in remarkable condition. Let me repeat, 36,800 original miles. No door dangs, no scratches, no rock chips. Basically a like new car. Has the moonroof. Leather interior, dual power seats. Navigation, heated seats.
It's not too late to get your shot.
Interior is flawless. Here's the Carfax report. Original floor mats, both original keys, original owner's manual. Once again, 2004 Mercedes E500, I apologize, with 36,800 original miles.